What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Dooley, back on Dooley TV. Right now I'm at a local import meet right now. Trying to look for the guys right now. As y'all can see, we got a couple cars out here. Little import cars. It's my homeboy Bam truck right here, y'all can see it. Y'all see the kickback. Make sure y'all hit my boy up for all the ceramic coat and everything, man. I promise you he'll have you right. Had that car looking like glass. But right now, I don't know where they at. So I'm gonna walk around and show y'all a few of the cars they got out here. Till I come across one of them. Twin turbo. Oh yeah, he ready for show. How people drive like that, bro? The wheel all cocked out. I see it. I just got here, by the way. So his car still pulling up. I think it started at like 5. It's like, and then only into like 10 o'clock. I ain't got my tripod either, so if it's a little shaky, it's because of my hand.
Oh, that motherfucker sober now.
Who that? Bruh.
That motherfucker sober. That nigga drunk his hell Thursday and he's about to go to jail Saturday for DUI. That shit crazy.
Bruh, I ain't drinking no more, bruh. I'm not drinking no more. I said that was my last time, bruh. What's up, man? See y'all boys out here, man. Damn, I should have worn my hoodie, man. I was gonna put it on. That's what make it so bad. I'm just out here trying to get a little content before I go to my little pool tournament, bro.
What is that?
In McDonough. Yeah, tailgaters. Yeah.
So over there by the
yeah, but yeah. Oh yeah, this band, this is what I was talking about with that truck. I promise you it had that thing looking like glass every time.
A little bit.
Oh yeah.
Well, you gotta pay though.
Yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, you gonna pay. Hey. Pay to play. I see it. Alright. What's going on?
Yeah, my drunk uncle, man.
Huh?
Drunk uncle, man.
That's it, man. SRT, the Hellcats, everything out here. Green Motorsport. Hit 'em up. I ain't trying to copy it. Got the tire letters for you. Oh, yeah. They got these things sitting low. I'm talking about. You can't even. Boy, that ain't got enough flooded there, bro. Is? My boy. Kids lifestyle, y'all know.
Yeah. Got me in with the whole nigga.
Hell yeah. What? Nah, you know my, what's going on, bro?
Another one.
Oh yeah. Nah, hey, bro, you know I broke my fucking rear end, bro.
Slide.
No, I was going to my pool tournament, bro.
I was coming by and I told her, I was like, I said, look at Dooley boy, and they're like, that ain't Dooley. They're like, he ain't got no tents.
Hell nah,
That thing, you know, got down. We see your ass.
nah, my car down for the count, bro. Oh yeah. Got y'all some more cars out here. Every kind of car you need is out here. I ain't gonna lie, this probably gonna be a short vlog because I really didn't plan on coming out here. I just came over here to waste a few minutes, probably like an hour or so before my pool tournament tonight. So I ain't really come out here for no content. So this probably gonna be like a little quick little 10-15 minute vlog, you know, just to meet up with the boys and all that. I might vlog some of my tournaments tonight, I don't know. It depends on if they really playing music all loud and stuff, you know. Even though I don't really care about the copyright right now, but you know, I'm gonna let y'all get back into these cars. Nice.
I'm playing that back lit for Dooley, man. Dooley said he going the wrong way to hit that back lit.
Yeah, that's my shit, bro. That's my
I
shit.
seen some shit on TikTok. Somebody, it was a girl, she was sitting down. She said, I ain't leaving the concert, so he performed back lit.
On God, bro.
But the nigga didn't even perform.
Yeah, but that's what I heard. I heard he don't really be performing it like that though.
He ain't even perform nothing from Jupiter Diary.
He really just performed like most of the songs from his new project. But he ain't performing some nigga shit either though.
Green like, yo,
yeah.
I feel like, nigga, you don't stay, nigga, I'm just PTSD, goddamn, the fucking Hunger Games,
Bro, everything,
I
bro.
looked up tickets. Lower ticket, I seen like 250.
Yeah, it went up now. When I had looked the first time, the lower ticket was like 147.
But shit, I bought me a ticket to Davidson like a day before last year. I'm trying to. I probably won't let me have pet. Oh, that's the only reason I ain't got.
So you bought a ticket for this year?
Last year.
Oh yeah, I know you went last year. That's what we have. Brandsmart. Stockbridge, man.
Follow Dooley TV.
Yeah.
Here's lifestyle.
Oh yeah.
What up, my guy? My dog got cupcakes in that bitch. Happy lady birthday, man. Why you got cupcakes over there like that?
Oh, no. I just came from a birthday party and shit.
We parked over here in the front.
Oh, shit.
I don't know. We gotta walk back over there.
Bro, this vlog ain't gonna even be long, bro. This just like to get me some content out, cause I ain't posting nothing in about a month.
You gotta get when you lose the pool tournament.
Who? Stop it. Stop it.
So I can record you lose.
I like that motherfucker right here.
Too nasty with it.
I think the Ramens set that bitch up really long. Yeah, boy.
They got some nice little cars out here, bro.
Who trying to let a girl drive that bitch? Who trying to let a girl drive it? 40 to 140. The heat coming from that bitch. That bitch feels so good.
What a
The heat coming from something.
yeah, he's trying to race it. Yeah, I was at the race the other day. That nigga Josh gave his ass a business, boy.
He went to Alabama.
For real?
Yeah, he went to Alabama and beat somebody.
Oh, yeah, I
This
seen
nigga, I think
this
they won
shit.
like 16,000 or something.
Shit, that race was.
Last night.
Alabama the other day.
No, I'm talking about the race that I videoed.
On Moreland.
Yeah, I
But I'm
think
talking about nigga.
that was like 7,000, some 8, something like that.
This was like Friday. This was like Friday or Saturday though. He had that bitch on trailer with Alabama.
Yeah,
That was last night. The niggas was out there. They don't
that nigga be racing that bitch. I should have bet that one nigga. He kept trying to bet everybody $100.
I ain't gonna lie, I probably lost money that night. I ain't gonna lie, I would've lost money because I would've probably bet it with that truck.
Get out your feelings, give me the bag, get out your feelings. Okay.
roll it backwood, I'm shooting